I'm Mark Brown and I'm the Technical Installation Manager at Heightsafe Systems. This project is St Michael's in Manchester. We're on site currently commissioning the Abseil systems what we've installed and carrying out on-site training for the end users. On this site we've got a couple of Abseil rails, one of which has got an incline along one of the elevations. The system will be used for facade maintenance and cleaning. The benefit of this system is that you can stay attached to the system at all times and there's no need for moops or cherry pickers to carry out maintenance on the facade. For protecting the manufacturers of the system, they coordinated with ourselves and the client to design the system.
I'm Colin McMurray, I'm the marketing manager here at Fall Protect, and something that I'm super excited to share with you guys is this new integrated safe access system. Now, something that a lot of our clients like is they like to have something that's a bit more streamlined. It's integrated into the actual building itself, and it's very convenient to use. And the safe access system that we've put in here is all three of those, including the motorized pulley. You can actually go all the way from the bottom to the top with the press of a button. So there's really not much of a learning curve. It's super easy. Whether it's your first time using the system or your 100th time, you'll never have an issue. So Heightsafe actually reaches out to us and gives us the contract based on the building specifications. We take this contract, we look at the building and we analyze what the best solution is for it. We look at our range of products and we decide on which product we like the best, which looks the best, which performs the best, and which is the safest. So based on all those parameters, we go back to the building schematics, make sure it fits, and we install. We give this contract back to Heightsafe, they install it, and we make sure it looks good. In the end, we're thrilled to be working with Heightsafe. We've been working with them for almost a decade and we know that we can trust them, they're reliable, and honestly, we look forward to many more years of partnership.
If you have any requirement for facade access or other work at height systems, contact Heightsafe.